Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Samaya Marie, aka Maya, and today I am back with another video. Let me pull my chair up so that you can not too heavy, dang. Because I wanted you guys to really get a look at the hair, y'all. Get into it, yeah. So before I go ahead and get into showing you guys the tutorial and how I got this look, so first things first, all the products that I use will be linked down in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. If you are concerned about what products I'm using and where I got them from, don't panic because all the links will be down in the description box below. Secondly, so as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look, and I'm also going to be showing you my first time using Brazilian hair clip-in extensions from Amazon, and that they had this gorgeous Brazilian 18-inch clip-ins, and I thought that I would try them out for you guys. So I have been wanting to try in either clip-ins or tape-ins for a while now. I feel like I'm not advanced enough for tape-ins because I've never used those before, and I do not want to show you guys something and be like, oh, do this, that, and the third, and I don't even know what I'm talking about. Let me stop talking, running my mouth. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video, and I see y'all at the end.
So starting off with freshly washed and blow dried hair, I go ahead and start sectioning off my hair into 3 sections. I usually do 4, but I lost one of my duck clips, so if you want, you can also do 4. When doing my silk press, I try to make sure I get the nape of my neck the best that I can. This is going to ensure that everything looks sleek and silky on my natural hair. So this is me just trying to get the nape of my neck the best that I can. Be sure to not burn yourself and be careful while doing this, just in case I want to pull my hair up though. So that's the reason that I do this. After getting the nape of my neck, I go ahead and I start sectioning off my hair, and I begin the flat ironing process. So when I'm ironing my hair for a silk press, I try to only do 2 passes per section. As you can see, the ends of my hair are a little blunt because I just clipped my ends. So to make sure that the hair blends really well with my Brazilian clip ends, especially in the front of my hair, mainly in the front because that has like a little less hair than the back would. You may or may not see me do 3 passes depending on the thickness of my hair and also the bluntness of my hair, so it all depends. I also flat iron the hair inwards. That way the hair points towards my face and not away from it. It's a method that I use when I'm trying to blend in any additional hair to my natural hair. That way everything just blends in really seamlessly. And as you know, the hair that we'll be adding in today is going to be those 100% human hair Brazilian clip-ins that I'm really excited to show you guys. once I finished flat ironing all my hair, I went ahead and began to style my edges. If you know me and watch my videos often, you know how I do my edges, but for those of you who are new here, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my flat iron and curl the hair outward. Then I go in with a soft holding spray, which will either be spritz, but in this case I'm going to be using EBIN Wonder Lace Adhesive Spray, which is the extreme firm hold and fast drying spray. Just spray a little bit on my finger and place it on my hair, and then I just comb it in the direction that I want it to go. And I go ahead and do this on both sides, and that's how I usually get my soft edge look. I finished late at night, so I went ahead and just wrapped my hair. If you guys want to see how I do my silk press and more in depth in the future, please let me know and comment down in the comment section below if that's something you guys would like to see in the future. Now for the clip-ins. So the hair that I will be using for this clip-in style would be the, I think it is pronounced Diwiate straight clip-in hair extensions. That's real human hair, 100% unprocessed Brazilian version, double weft clipped-in extension hair for women. I will be using one pack of the 18-inch 8-piece set, and that's in the color jet black. For this part was the easiest because I already had my hair straightened out for a few days like previous to this, so all I had to do was just, section my hair and place the clip-ins wherever I wanted them to go. There were only 8 pieces, so they were pretty easy to find places for. And as you can see, I started off using the biggest pieces first, and then as I moved towards the top of my head, I started using the smaller pieces. I made sure to space them out just well enough so that they're not easy to detect, and they were very easy to install. This process probably only took me about 10 minutes for me to do, and it was the most easiest style that I've ever done in my life. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. Such an easy style to do when you're just on the go or just trying to make something cute for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of this, and I'll let you guys go ahead and catch up to the styling part.
Gotta start, girl, why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things. I know you got another nigga tryna play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. He's standing in the fan, but he still ain't in the fan. If anything should change, then I know we in the fan. Any you keep pushing in what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know? Yeah, maybe take a couple sick days.
Now for the styling part of the video. So for this style, this wavy crimp look, I just sectioned my hair into 2 halves, and on each section that I used to crimp the hair, I just went in and I sprayed on a little bit of holding spray before going in with the crimping iron. This just makes sure that the hair holds its curl throughout the day. If you want, you can spray the holding spray on after you curl the hair. It's all the same to me, as long as the holding spray just works the way you want it to. And then aside from the wax stick that I use to style and hold the crown of my head, these were the only products that I used on this hairstyle, which makes this the most simple and beginner-friendly hairstyle that I have probably done on this channel. So yeah.
Okay guys, so clearly this is the finished look. You guys already see me earlier at the beginning of the video. I'm filming at the same time. Ooh, not my edges falling. Not too much on my edges, Anywho's, so this is the finished look, and that is how I got the finished look. I would call these more like beach waves, kind of like a loose wave type of thing, because my crimpers, or what do you call it, crimpers or crimps, whatever them things called, they have like a bigger pattern, like a bigger pattern. So once the curls kind of fall, they look just like kind of like wavy type of thing going on, which is cute to me. Like, I like it. Another thing that I have wanted to say was, I know if you like get close, you can kind of see the difference. So my hair is brown. If you never knew that, or I don't know, I mean, it's not like important information, but if you do see my hair is brown. The hair that I got is in jet black. So we're just gonna say that was an accident. We're not gonna talk about it, but I feel like it still blends well enough with my hair, pretty much from like a distance. So, you know what I'm saying, not too much, not too close, but from a distance it looks really, really good. It looks really shiny. It looks really long, especially for this to be 18 inches. Like, 18 inches, this is giving more like 20 something. 18, I feel like should be like up here, but I don't know, maybe it's just me. So anywho's, another thing that I wanted to say, if you guys are going to also follow this tutorial and you're going to also be following along with me, one thing that I would suggest is buying 2 packs of these, because basically the pack that I got it in, those are like pretty much the equivalent of 1 bundle of hair. Like if you ever bought like bundles before, it's the equivalent of like 1 bundle of hair. So it's like, it's enough to get, you know, something. But if you want something like more extra full and more volume and things of that nature, I will recommend buying 2. So not only that, but they are super duper affordable. They were just over 30 bucks. So yeah, you can get this real human hair, 100% human hair version, Brazilian 18-inch clip-in extensions for just about 30 bucks. So if you're gonna get them, hurry up, go get them while you still can, because Lord knows that when they find out about these, when people find out about these, they gonna raise them prices, and it's gonna be way more expensive than what it originally was. So do yourself a favor, get it while it's cheap, get it while it's good, get it while it's here, okay? I think it's like pretty cute. It's easy to maintain because all you gotta do is make sure to braid your hair every night. So that's pretty much what I do when I crimp my hair. But I think this is really sleek, it's really shiny, like it looks nice and full. Anywho, let me stop running my mouth. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video and you stayed to the end, let me see, comments. We need something different. Comment a pink heart because it kind of match the nails, to let me know that you watched it all the way to the end. If you like the video, be sure to like the video. That helps a lot for a small YouTuber like me. And to hit that subscribe button, join our community. I know that I said that in the beginning, but I'm gonna keep saying it and I'm gonna keep manifesting it. Subscribe. Like, what are you doing? It's free, just do it. Thirdly, make sure to hit that notification bell, because that's going to update you and notify you every time that I post a video. That way you don't miss out on any of these straight fire styles that I do. It's simple and always beginner friendly and always affordable. So go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content and tips and tricks that I have in store for you guys in the future. And then I believe I believe that is it. I literally think that that's all I need to say because I've been talking this whole time and running my mouth. Comment what you guys want to see next. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I always reply to all of my comments. Literally every single comment that I get, I always reply to my comments. I will see you guys in the next one. And yeah, bye babes. Mwah.